that their children are getting problems with these directed numbers, right? With these. So scrolling back up, we're going to go back to the notes that were given last class, right? So a directed number is a number with a sign plus or minus that indicates its direction relative to a reference point, right? A directed number can be shown on a number line, right? Numbers to the right of 0 are positive, right? Everybody's supposed to know what the right is. Your right is like where your right hand is, right? Okay, numbers moving to the right are positive. Numbers moving to the left are negative. Shown here in a number line. Zeros in the middle, positive numbers to the right, negative numbers to the left, right? Note, when there is no sign plus or minus in front a number, positive is understood, right? We have our multiplication and division laws. Same sign implies positive answer. So if I have a positive multiplied by a positive, it gives me a positive number, right? A negative multiplied by a negative gives me a positive number, right? Once it's the same sign and you multiply, you get a positive answer. Different signs. A positive number multiplied by a negative number gives me a negative number. A negative number multiplied by a positive number gives me a negative number. And we just have it written small here, right? You have a positive by a positive is a positive, negative by a negative is a positive, positive by negative is a negative, and negative by positive is a negative. Note, 0 multiplied by any number minus or plus is 0, right? Now, let's jump into it. So everybody gonna answer this. Calling on you. We gonna cross, right? Actually, let's come down, right? And I'm sure you all have it written. How you all have it written? Gonna cross or coming down? How you all have it?
So I have it across.
Across, right? So let's go. So right, let's go. So I'm calling on students, right? So let's start with Stefan. We do this first one here. Positive 2 multiplied by negative 5. Stefan.
So I got a negative 10.
Negative 10. Excellent. Next, Ramo. Where's Ramo? I just seen some kind of game in room in Ramo picture. What going on there, Ramo?
Yes, here.
I don't seen your face. Where your face, bro?
That's normal. Fix this. You seen it now?
Perfect. Let's go. Yeah, go ahead, Liam, with us. I saw your message, Liam. Right, go ahead. Next one. Let's go.
I get 18, sir.
Positive 18, right? Do I need to put that plus sign in front of the 18, Brother Ramo?
No, sir.
No, it is understood, right? Ramdas, let's go.
So I get 3.
Positive 3?
Yes, sir.
A positive multiplied by a negative is a positive?
Negative.
Yeah.
Negative, sir.
Right, negative. So how you get the answer, my brother? Ramdas.
I put I didn't watch the question good.
Yeah. Well, next time watch it good, brother?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Kimani, next. Quick. Here what? We doing a whole line. Kimani, do the whole line. Like that whole top row. Let's go. So to be negative 9 by negative 5 is?
That is positive 45.
Next.
Or 45.
Right, next.
Negative 5. And then
Wait,
30.
negative 5, brother? 4 multiplied by 1 is 5?
4. Negative 4, sir.
Thank you, my brother. Next one. I don't hear. Wait, what going there? Boy? I stop
Just
here.
24.
Wait, get positive 24. Very good. All right. Makai, the whole line. Do the whole line here. First one.
Negative 36.
Boom, negative 36. Right, very good. Negative 36. Go on.
Negative 5.
And
30. Or positive 30.
right. Do I need to put the positive sign in front of that 30, bro?
No, sir. It is understood.
Let's go. Amani Bob. Bob, let me go. This is homework, and I want to run through this, and I have work plan for today, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have to see your face clear, huh? I tell you, you have to put something underneath, boy. You have to put something underneath the phone, so don't slide. So, like, I don't know if you have,
Yes, sir.
like probably something heavy, but you need to put something underneath the phone, right? Right, go on, brother. Let's go.
Yes, sir. So, for the bracket with open brackets, positive 7 times open bracket negative 2 is equivalent to open bracket. I have negative 5, sir.
-5. So you multiply 7 by 2 and get 5 is
No,
multiplication on the
sir,
level.
no, sir.
All right.
Pause. I mean, yes.
7 2s are 5.
No, sir, is negative 14.
Thank you. Next, let's give me the answer. What's the answer for the next one, Bob? Bob,
Yes, sir.
what's the answer
The
for the
answer
next one?
for positive 8 times negative 3
Uh-huh.
is I have negative 24.
Right. Because a positive multiplied by a negative is a
Negative.
beautiful. Next one.
Yes, sir. So negative 8 multiplied by positive 7.
Yeah.
I have negative 56, sir.
Excellent. Imani Francis. Next line.
Zero.
No, it's positive 1 multiplied by positive 7. We on this line here. This line here, sister. Look at Patrick. Yeah. Go on.
Positive 7.
Right. 7. Next.
Negative 21.
Excellent. Next.
Positive 48.
Beautiful. Liam Regard. Next. Next line, quickly.
So the first one is 9.
0 multiplied by 9 is 9, though.
0. Sorry. 0.
Right. Next.
0 for the next one as well, sir.
And the last one here.
3.
4 is 3. 4 multiplied
I mean,
by
4.
1 is 3. Positive
4,
4,
4.
negative 4.
So
That small thing, little baby. But you shouldn't. Hey, let me tell you something, eh? That's all. I'm gonna pause this, eh? Sorry. What is that, Taylor?
negative 4, sir.
Excellent. Next. We're gonna cross Taylor. What's the next one? Negative,
Negative 72.
72, yes. Excellent. Next one.
And then 4, sir.
Do I need to put the plus in front of the 4, or is it understood?
Is it understood, sir?
Excellent. I know it's your first class here, commoner, but you're able to handle the next line?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Positive 3 by negative 1.
Negative 3.
Next.
Negative 12.
Excellent. Next.
4.
Very good. We cooking with gas. There we go. Jackson, is your parent this message, man? Tell me your mic not working. Is it up, Jackson? She told me y'all no. She said y'all trying to fix it. Jackson, like she freeze. Jackson. I think Jackson freeze. Or she does pop up picture. Jackson. Liam Lucas, you came back? Lucas, like he's still handling the scene. Let me go to Torrington. Let's go. Next line. Only we gotta move a little faster now. Torrington, next line.
7.
Excellent. Next.
2.
Next.
Negative 56.
56. Right. Give me the next line one time because I want to try to finish a little faster. So give me the next line one time, Thornton.
Just 63.
All right. Next.
56.
Next.
Negative 30.
Stefan. Quick. Sheldon. Next line.
Excuse me, I did mine downwards and look upwards, so I would have trouble finding the answers.
Well, watch it and tell me the answers. You can watch it and tell me. Positive 3 multiplied by negative 1.
Negative 3, 2.
Next one. Anything multiplied by zeros?
0, 2.
Boom. Anything multiplied by zeros?
0, 2.
Right. Stop crying and telling me you can't do it because you don't know what it is, right? Let's go. Ramo.
Negative 20, sir.
Excellent. Next.
3
Next.
and 0.
Ramdas. Do the last 2 lines, Ramdas. Let go. Give me everything.
Yes, sir. 27, 12, 9, 54, negative 45, and 8.
Big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself. Right, let me go. So, running back through our division laws. Division laws and multiplication laws are basically the same thing, right? So, a positive divided by a positive is a positive. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. A positive divided by a negative gives me a negative. A negative divided by a positive gives me a negative. Same signs gives you a positive answer. Different signs gives you a negative answer, right? So we're gonna cook with gas. Everybody doing 2 lines, right? Where I reach Kimani. Give me 2 lines there, Kimani. There we go.
Positive 9 divided by negative 9, so as 0. I mean negative 0.
First of all, there's no such thing as negative 0. Second of all, 9 divided by 9 is 0. 9 into 9 is 0.
I mean 1, 2. Negative 1, 2.
Right? Let's go. Next one.
Negative 36 divided by negative 6, that is positive 6 or 6.
Next. Let's give me the answer, bro. Let's give me the answer, brother.
Negative 1, 2.
Negative 1. Excellent. Next.
Negative 5.
Next.
Positive 1.
Next.
And that is positive 7.
Excellent, brother. Proud of you. Let's go, Makai. Next 2 lines, Makai. We cooking. Let me go.
Positive 6.
Next.
Positive 1.
Next.
Or just 1. Positive 7.
Next.
Negative 2.
Next.
Negative 9.
Next.
Positive 1.
Excellent. Francis, next 2 lines. Let's go. We cooking, Francis.
0.
0. Excellent.
Negative 8.
Excellent.
Negative 6.
Beautiful. Let's go. Next one.
1.
35 divided by 7. I feel it went down here, but we here now. 35 divided by 7. 7 into 35. They can watch it here. Even if they can't find it, just watch it here. 35, we here. We in this line. 35 divided by 7.
5, sir.
Right. Excellent. Next. We go across here.
Negative 2, sir.
Negative 2. Excellent. Next.
Positive 4.
Excellent. Next. No, wait. You don't do 2 lines. Let me go to regard. Let's go.
1, sir.
1.
Negative 4, sir.
Excellent.
-7, sir.
Excellent. Come on, give me next line. Regard. Next line.
Next line. -7.
6 into 40
Negative
is
two.
7.
Negative.
Yeah, that little heart pin there, boy.
8.
8. Thank you. Next, my brother. Quickly. Six.
Positive. Positive.
Let's go.
Yes,
Next
yes.
one.
9.
9. Excellent. Taylor. Next two. Taylor. We here. Let's belt out answers.
Okay, sir. Negative.
Watching good, bro?
2, sir. Negative 2.
Excellent. No, where you get negative 2 from? It's a positive divided by a positive, bro. Look it up here. A positive divided by a positive is a?
Positive, sir.
Right, so it's not negative 2, right? Let's go. Next one.
Negative. No, positive.
Right. Very good. Positive. 5 into 15.
Positive 3, sir.
Beautiful. Next one. Let's go. We cooking. Negative 2 divided by positive
Negative 1, sir.
1 into 2 is 1. 2 divided by 1. Huh?
It's 2, sir.
Excellent. Next.
Positive 6, sir. No, positive no 0, sir.
6 divided by 6 is not 0. 6 divided by 6. 6 into 6 is?
Oh, my bad, sir. 1,
1,
sir.
right? And then next, secondly, Taylor, positive 6
Yes, sir.
divided by negative 6, right? We talk about a positive divided by a negative will give you a, look it up here, bro. What your arrow is? A positive divided by a negative will give me a?
Negative, sir.
Look it right there, bro. Right? It's right there. So this will be negative 1. Next.
And then negative 9, sir.
Next.
And
Hello.
positive 9, sir.
No, 7 into 56 is not 9. 7
8,
into,
sir.
right, 8. All right? Guys, before we go any further, I want to let you all know something because I do not a lot of research as I'm on vacation, right? And with respect to remembering stuff, there are 3 times you need to review your work, right? If I do something with you today, there are 3 times you must review this work. And the person that I was looking at, the podcast I was looking at, they guarantee that you will commit it to memory. You know what are the 3 times? You're listening? The 3 times would be the day after you do it, right? So if we do something today, you review it tomorrow. That's 1. Then you review it 3 days after. Okay? So the same thing you're reviewing tomorrow, you review it 3 days after that. You all hear me? 3 days after that, you review it. Then, the same day you did it, which is 7 days after. So if we do something today, Thursday, next week, Thursday, you review it 7 days after. And they say it would stick in your head. It would commit to memory. And the reviewer is not just watching it and just, blinking your eye and hoping that it would stick in your head, right? It's going through it, reading it, probably writing it out, proper review. I think a lot of students don't know how to study. And I want to make a lot of videos on this in the next few days, right? On how to study and how to commit things to memory, right? So you all need to review whatever we do today, review tomorrow, review it 3 days after that, and then review it 7 days after the day you did it. 3 times, just 3 times, and it would stick in your head. If you don't do that, you're wasting time, you're wasting your parents' money, you're wasting away your life, right? So please work on reviewing. It's just 3 times. That's 3 times asking you to review. The day after, 3 days after, and 7 days after. Right? Everybody good there? Let me go. Where I reached by Taylor was the last one. Come on now. Let's go. Next 2 lines, come on now.
Positive 7 divided by positive 1 is 7.
Next.
Positive 40 divided by positive 8 is 5.
Alright, next.
And negative 72 divided by negative 9 is 8.
Next. Give me 2 lines. I want 2 lines. Next line. Yeah.
Negative 27 divided by negative 3 is 9.
Next.
And positive 16 divided by positive 2 is 8.
Wait, I think you went to the line underneath, sorry. It's negative 12 divided by negative 4, which will give me?
Negative 3.
No, and negative divided by negative is a?
Positive, sorry, 3.
Positive 3. Next line. Well, next question.
Positive 49 divided by positive 7.
Right. Amani, next 2 lines, quickly. The last 2 lines, Amani. There you go, Amani. Let's get my answers, Amani.
Yes.
As you touch that phone falling.
Yes, sir. So, the positive 36 divided by 6, well, positive 36 divided by positive 6 is positive 6, sir.
Next.
Positive 16 divided by positive 2 is positive 8.
Next.
Positive 4 divided by positive 1 is positive 4, sir.
Next.
Positive 6 divided by positive 6 divided by negative 6 is negative 1.
Next.
Positive 18 divided by positive 19 is 2, sir.
Next.
And negative 18 divided by positive 2 is negative 9.
Now, guys, there is no way I know how to learn this for you all, right? And what I'm speaking about is simply these things, right? This is why you really had to commit to memory. You hear me, Kimani? Kimani. You see
Yes,
this? You see this? And you see this? You all need to commit that to memory. You need to stick that in your head somewhere. Right, guys? That is what you need to learn. Okay? Now, something I want to say before we go on to the next section is that multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, the methods are in no way related. So there's no way, hold on, guys. Leonardo, you all need to be a little quiet there and load on the TV a little more, please. Right. Load it down, Leo. So, I'm saying it again. Multiplication and division is in no way related to addition and subtraction. So, meaning, there's no way you could go in a division and multiplication or division question and say, keep the sign in front of the larger number for your answer. You hear me, Ramdas?
Yes, sir.
You cannot go in any of these questions and say, keep the sign in front of your larger number. You hear me, regard?
Yes, sir.
I'm saying it again, multiplication and division is a totally different process to addition and subtraction of directed numbers. So I do not want to see anybody mixing up these two pairs of things, right? So we're going on to something totally different now, which is addition and subtraction, right? So we're running back through this, right? Addition and subtraction of directed numbers. Case 1. Signs in front of numbers are the same. Means we always add, right? So if I have negative 3 minus 7, it's like the sign in front of the numbers. Let me call in front to the left, right? Okay, the sign in front of the numbers are the same, so I add. I am not concerned with what sign is in the middle. I'm concerned with what sign is in front each number. I'm saying it again. I'm not looking at the sign in the middle and saying, okay, we have minus in the middle there, so I had to take away. Well, you can't take 7 from 3. Ramo, watch here. You can't take 7 from 3. So you'll have to take the 3 from the 7. So you see now minus in the middle there, so you're saying I had a minus. No. For addition and subtraction, you are focusing on the sign in front each number. Are we clear there, Torrington?
Yes, sir.
Right, we cooking. Always keep the sign in front of the larger number for your answer, right? This only applies to addition and subtraction, right? So once you adding or subtracting, when you want to write your answer, always look to the larger number to know what sign to put in front of your answer. Are we clear here? This is not rocket science, eh? This is not rocket science. Case 2. Signs in front numbers are different. We always, this is supposed to be always, where the S? Always subtract, right? So, your brain is going to tell you here to add. Because you all seen it have an addition in the middle here? Ramnas, you see an addition? Maka, you see an addition in the middle there? Wait.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, eh? I think I'll lose connection.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, eh? Hold on, eh? Hold on. Where the burner? I feel the battery burner dying or dead. Yo, where the burner? Is that battery? Huh? Come on. Let me put back in that spot across there. That spot is the best spot. Right. Done. Oh, alright. Now by me, our back spot. I feel the I feel it. Hold on, guys. I have a little issue with the internet here. Let me just reboot it. Momentum is everything, guys. I'm sorry for breaking the momentum there. Right, we're jumping back. Jackson, you there? Message and let me know if you're there. You're looking like you're sleeping. I don't know if your camera's stick. I see Jackson camera sticking. How long, Jackson, so? Jackson. Alright. Let's give me a thumbs up. Okay. Right, case 2. Back to this, right? Signs in front of numbers are different. We always subtract. So once again, I was saying you are not looking at the sign between the two numbers because your brain is programmed to do that from primary school. If you see 8 plus 11, you're going to add. But you do not have to add here, right? Because the sign in front of the two numbers are different. Okay? Ramo, did you catch it?
Yes, sir.
So do not, moving forward when we start in the correct homework, I do not want anybody looking at this sign in the middle and then making a decision on what to do, whether to add or to subtract, right? I need you all to look at the sign in front, the two numbers, please and thanks, right? So the sign in front of the two numbers are different, so you must subtract. Obviously, you'll take the smaller amount from the larger amount. So you take 8 from 11, you remain with 3. Now, what sign is going in front of 3? Always keep the sign in front, the larger number for the answer, right? Only applies to addition and subtraction of directed numbers. This does not apply to multiplication and division. Where's Lucas? A message in this group there. Where's Lucas? I see Lucas. That's right.
Excuse, sir. May I be excused?
Hurry, eh? Right. So we go in here. I show you all the difference between -2 plus 18. The answer for that, the two signs are different. So you must minus, you take 2 from 18, you remain with 16. You keep the sign in front of the larger number for your answer. That is different to -2, right? -2 multiplied by positive 18 gives you -36. You all see the difference in the answers, right? Okay, they are different. Okay, my children, if I have positive 10 minus 20, yes? Somebody else calling me there?
Can I have some water, sir?
No problem, go ahead. Right. Now we're going to look at these, but before we do that, I gave you all multiplication laws for double signs and brackets, right? We needed to take these into consideration when doing some of these questions above here, right? If you have like two signs side by side like this, it means a negative and a negative is a positive. Positive and positive, positive, etc. Right? Brackets. You have a sign outside the bracket, a sign within. It's like a negative, but a negative is a positive, right? So let's work. We come into number 16. So where did I reach, boy? I think Amani Bob did the last set. So we go into Torrington. Give me 16 to 20, Torrington. What's the answer for 16?
-4.
-4. Excellent. Now, before we even go on, well, before I even do 17, tell me what a negative and a negative will give you.
Positive.
Right, so let's put positive here. So you're basically dealing with -3 plus 7 now. This is what the question is. What you got as your answer here?
-10.
With the information that I just told you, right? I just discussed something. Look at it. -3 plus 7. What did I just say? I said, do not look at the sign in the middle alone. Are the two signs different here, Torrington?
Yes, sir.
So what do I have to do? When the two signs are different, what do I always do?
Subtract.
Excellent. So take 3 from 7 for me, please. 3 from 7 would leave me with what?
-4.
Huh?
-4.
So we keep any sign in front of the smaller number,
+4.
right? So you see how everything's supposed to come together? You look at the two signs, you see they are different. So you subtract, and then you have to say, keep the sign in front of the larger number, right? Torrington?
Yes, sir.
Right, so we go in. Next one, -17 minus 7. What that gives me?
-10.
I'm scrolling up. I ain't even saying anything, right? I'm scrolling up because I know you did it for homework, so it probably wasn't solid, right? What does this first case say? Read it out.
Signs in front numbers are always odd.
Read it again.
Signs in front numbers are the same.
Right? What you have to do? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, yes. Right. So, where my sister? Where Torrington? Torrington,
Yeah.
read it again for me. Case 1. What's the first case?
Signs in front numbers are the same. Always
This means
add.
we always add. And then what? Always what?
Keep the sign in front of the larger number.
Right, excellent. So let me go. We're going back to the question, right? Now, are the signs in front, the two numbers, the same here?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Right, so what we have to do?
Add.
Right, so 7 plus 17 is what?
24.
24. And keep the sign in front, which number? We always keep the sign in front the?
Larger number.
So it'll be -24. Understood?
Yeah.
Let's go to the next one. What's the answer for 19?
-7.
Excellent. What sign is understood in front of the 10 here?
Plus. Or
Right.
positive.
Okay, signs are different, so we always
minus
And keep the sign in front of the
larger number,
excellent, right? Last one here.
negative.
Focus,
No,
focus.
positive 2.
Don't look at your homework because I realize you didn't do the homework too correct, right? So focus on what you just learned. What's the answer here?
Positive 2.
Excellent, sister. Excellent, right? So we go there. You all make your corrections, eh? Make your corrections. We go into Ramo. Do the next 5. 21 to 25. Let's go.
Okay, so for 20, so I got 2, positive 2.
For 21 to 25.
Oh, I got 6.
Positive 6.
Yes, sir.
So we keep the sign in front of the smaller number now.
Oh, okay.
Here what? You all do watch your homework. We just go through something, right? Let's do it from watching here. Right, bro? You know the two signs are different, right, Ramo?
Yes,
What you
sir.
have to do? If the two signs are different, what are we doing?
You subtract them.
Right. So 3 from 9 gives me 6. Let me deal with what sign going in front of the 6 now, right? We keep the sign in front of the
Larger number, which is 9.
right. So what is in front 9 here?
Negative.
Good? See how simple?
Yeah.
Let's do the next
Yes, sir.
one. Let me get rid of this double sign first. A minus and a minus is a
Plus it.
right. So I'm going to rewrite the question. It's going to be negative 8 plus 8. My two signs are different. So what do I do?
You subtract them again.
8 from 8 is
0, so.
it had nothing like negative or positive 0, so you don't even have to watch what's going on with that. Right? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Next
Yeah.
one. My two signs are the same. So what do I do?
You add what you will get at 3.
Keep the sign in front the
The larger number, which is negative.
right. Next one, 24. What's the answer?
Well, the sign's different, so you have to subtract, which you'll get 0.
Excellent, my brother. Next one. Don't watch your homework. Watch here.
Yes, your sign's different again, so you take an away, which you'll get negative 4.
Boom. Say, understand now, brother?
Yes, sir.
Right? So I think I want to give all a little time to review all your homework. Right? But here what? Let me finish out this. Okay, so you will fix those. Let me do one more person. Kimani. Let me do 26 to 30. Kimani. 26.
So
Right.
that is the two signs are same, so that is adding. So 6 plus 11 is 17.
What sign go in front here?
Negative.
Negative.
Or-
Keep the sign in front of the larger number, right? Next. 27. There we go.
That is positive 3.
Excellent. Right? Two signs are different, so we subtract, then keep the sign in front of the larger number. Let me rewrite this now because we have two negatives here. So it'll be negative 3 what?
Plus positive 6.
Right? So now let's work. Two signs are different. What do we do?
Yeah, to take away.
Right? Excellent.
So 3 take away 6 is 3. So
Right.
that is
Positive or negative 3? Don't glitch, don't glitch. You're trying not to glitch here, right? You know your work.
negative 3.
Keep the
Negative 3.
sign in front of the smaller number, right? That's what I teach you.
Also positive 3.
Thank you very much. Let's go. Next one.
That is
Here's it could tie up, so take your time. Here what you could do. When you see it have no sign in front of the 2, let me put the plus now. So my two signs are what?
that's different, so you have to take away.
Right.
So 2 take away 9, that's 7.
Keep the sign
So
in front
that
of the.
is bigger number.
So what this will be?
Negative 7.
Excellent. Next, last one here for you.
Positive 8. That will be
This is our normal one. 8 minus 7.
Positive 1.
Right, excellent. Let's go. Liam, I see regard. I see you want to do the next set. So do it one time. I want to give all some to try.
Thank you, sir.
31.
So -4 and +6, they're both different.
You seen
different
positive 6 there, bro? You seen positive 6 there?
Yeah, 6.
We watching this thing?
-4. Yeah, -4 subtract 6.
Right. So that's not positive 6. That you can count that as negative 6. Right?
Count it as -6.
Right. So the two signs are the same. So what we do?
We add, sir.
Right. So what you get?
You get 10, -10.
Right. Next.
9 plus 7. -9 plus 7 is positive -3.
No, not 3. Is negative. The negative correct?
-2.
Right. Excellent. Very good. Next one.
A negative plus a negative, that's addition.
You see that? A negative plus a negative. Don't say it like that, nah? Say two signs are the same. So
Two
you
signs are the
always-
same.
So once two signs are the same, we always
Add.
right. So 13 and 9.
-22. 22.
22. Right? Okay, next.
-11 plus 13
Alright.
is positive 2 or 2.
Excellent. Next.
Negative and a negative make a positive.
So
that'll
that's
be
9.
9.
Is that 9 plus 10 plus 9?
19.
19. Food, right? I want to leave something for you all to try. But I still want to do these on top here. There we go. Taylor. So remember these signs outside the bracket and inside the bracket, you have to deal with that first, right? So let me go, Taylor. So this will be 6 what? A positive and a negative is a what? I gave you the how to deal with that underneath here, right? I told you all once you have a sign outside the bracket and a sign out in, you're working it like your multiplication law. So a negative by negative will be a positive, right? So above here you have a positive outside the bracket and negative within. So that'll be a positive by a negative will give me a negative. So what shall we rewrite in the set, Taylor? Let's do the first one for you. So we said a positive and a negative is a negative. So it'll be 6 minus 9. What is 6 minus 9, Taylor? 6 minus 9, Taylor.
3, sir.
Positive 3. Positive 3 or negative 3?
-3, sir.
Right, because you keep the sign in front of the larger number. This is like plus. Right. Rewrite the next one in all brackets, Taylor. It will be 5 what? A negative and a negative is a what, Taylor?
A positive, sir.
So it'll be 5 plus 8.
5 plus
8 is what?
8. 13, sir.
Right. Next one. It'll be 4 what? Get rid of that bracket, somewhere.
4 subtract 11.
Excellent, Taylor. And 4 minus 11 is what?
4 minus 11.
Excuse me, sir, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Regard.
7, sir.
Yeah, correct. Positive or negative 7?
Negative, sir.
Negative. Keep the sign in front of the larger number. Go ahead, Regard.
So when you have brackets, you just drop any brackets or you just doing that to teach you something?
No, you're dropping the brackets, but in order to drop the brackets, we have to say like a positive, watch it here. A positive by a negative would give me a...
Negative.
Right, so watch it. These two signs is like, I merge them to get this minus here. Cool?
Oh,
right?
okay, so thank
These
you.
two signs, a negative and a negative, give me a positive. Cool?
Yes, sir.
And watch this one here. A positive and a negative give me a negative. Cool?
Okay.
Right,
As if
next
so,
one.
so like things like 44. Well, and it just don't have no
Right. So
symbols in
44, what is understood in front of 12 anyway? Inside the
positive
bracket there. So
or
it's like a
plus.
positive, but a positive is a positive. So it'll simply be negative 7 plus 12. Right?
Oh, okay.
So what
Thank you, sir.
negative 7 plus 12 is what, Taylor? Taylor get cut off. Regard. Give it now, so I was done on you. Taylor get cut off.
You keep drawing back, sir.
Right, Taylor.
Misclick, sir.
Yeah,
So,
negative 7 plus 12.
7 plus 12 is negative 5, sir.
You sure it's negative 5? Look at the two numbers. You have 7 and you have 12. Which is the larger number out of the 7 and the 12?
The 12, sir.
What sign is in front of the 12?
Positive, sir.
Right, so your answer will be positive 5, not negative 5, right? And I don't even have to put a positive in front of the 5. So the answer is 5, right? Cool, Taylor?
Yes, sir.
Right. What's going on here, buddy? All right. Last one for you, Taylor. This will be negative 2 what? We have a double sign here. Let me highlight it, eh? You see these two signs? We had to merge them to become one side. So a negative and a negative is a what? Right?
Positive.
So I'm going to put negative 2 plus 4. Right? Negative
6, sir.
Negative 2 plus 4 is 6. You sure? When my two signs are different, what do I do?
You answer.
No. Check your notes, bro. Watch it. Look at it right here. Read it out for me, bro. Signs. Go on. Case 2.
Signs in front numbers are different. Always subtract.
Right. Are the signs in front of the numbers different? We're looking at this part, which is the negative 2 plus 4. Are the signs in front of the two numbers different?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you always subtract. So you take 2 from 4, you get 2, and you keep the sign in front of the larger number. So it'll be plus 2. Right, Taylor?
Okay.
Right. So
Yes,
here
sir.
what's going on here now. Moreover, let me do out these here. We'll do up to 50, and then I want you all to do, and you're gonna send it for me. You're sending pictures. Let me do up to 50. Who wanna do from 46 to 50? Raise your hand if you wanna do 46 to 50. Nobody really? Liam, you just do 5. Alright, I gotta call somebody. Francis, let me go. 46, Francis. You have it written down, Francis? You have it written down?
Yes.
Because I find it looking jumbled up here. So I want to come underneath here somewhere, right? Hold on, eh? That's not. Once you have it written down. Right, I want to come down here. Right. So this is correction from above, right? Right, so let me go. 46. I find it looking too jumbled up above there, boy. Call out 46 to me, Francis.
Negative 1 plus negative 8 equals
Right, so let me go. Negative 1 plus negative 8. Get rid of the double sign, someone now. Let me write it over.
negative 1 minus 8 equals
Excellent. Negative 1 minus 8. And then let me go. Remember, I don't want any equal signs going across. So I want it coming down. So what do you get in here?
negative 9, sir.
Negative 9. Everybody good there? Everybody good there? Let me go. 47. Call it out for me. 47.
Negative 6 minus negative 19 equals
Right, so let's get rid of them double signs there. A minus and a minus will be a
Positive, sir.
plus 19, right? So let me go. What's the answer here now?
13, sir.
13, right? Positive 13, excellent. I just want to make this plus a little better. All right. So the answer would be 30. Everybody good there? 47, yes, sister. 48. Francis.
Negative 7 plus
Taylor,
negative
your
8.
mic on, Taylor. Your mic on. Right, go ahead, Francis.
Negative 7 plus negative 8 equals
Right, let me go. What will be equal to?
negative 7 take away 8.
Which will be?
Negative 15, sir.
Excellent. 49, call it out.
Negative 4 take away negative 5 equals
Right, let's go.
which would be negative 4 plus 5.
Because our minus and our minus is a plus. Go on.
1, sir.
Positive 1, right? Let's go 50.
3 plus negative 11 equals
A plus and a minus is a
negative 2.
right. So it'll be 11 minus 11. And what my answer will be here?
Negative 8, sir.
Negative 8. Everybody good here? So let's call back out the answers. I mean, let's write them in here. What was the answer for 46? Francis, that's
9, sir.
9, right?
Positive 9, sir.
Positive 9, no negative 9.
Negative 9, sir.
Right, next one.
13,
13. Next.
negative 15,
Next.
1,
And last one.
negative 8.
Right. So you're gonna do these with proper workings. I want my workings to look like this, right? If you did it already, take a snap, send it for me. Alright? Okay? We're doing these. Actually, here one. I just want it to be 10, because I don't want it to be too much questions, right? And even if you did it already, I want you to redo it. Right? So let me just do out 51 to 55. So there's be 10 questions you'll have to send, right? Who gonna do this for me? Come on now. Let me go with 51 to 55. You have it written down? You have
Yes, sir.
Right. So I scroll it down so we could do it with proper work in here, right? I just want it to be 10 questions. I don't want too much.
Sir, I could go in the bathroom, please.
Yeah, run. Right, let me go. Hit my 51 there, come on now.
Positive 4,
Uh-huh.
and negative 6.
Just minus 6? Give me the
Yeah, minus
question,
6.
the original question.
Positive 4 minus 6.
That's all they have? Like that's minus 6? Positive, no, this is 4 plus negative 6.
Oh, yeah, 4 plus negative 6.
Right. 4 plus negative 6, right? So it's 4 plus negative 6. Right? Right. So what is it be rewritten as?
4 plus negative 6 without the bracket.
No, we had to get rid of the double sign. So a positive and a negative is a what?
And negative.
Right. So there'll just be 4 what?
Positive. Just 4.
Right. And then the plus and the minus becomes a?
A minus.
Right. Minus 6. Right. Let's work now. So 4 minus 6.
2.
2. Positive 2?
No, negative 2.
Right. So let me get somebody else. Stefan, 52. Call it out. What's the question, Stefan?
So I will write on the answers that I will.
Workings, brother. These have workings. Right?
Yes.
Somebody give me the Alright, look at it. It's 6 minus negative 18, right?
Yes. 2.
So it'll be 6 minus negative 18. So a negative and a negative will be a what?
A positive 2.
So it'll be 6 what?
6. 6 plus 18 2.
Which is
24 2.
24. Let me get somebody else. Makai, you wrote down the question for 53?
Yes, sir.
Right, hit me there. What's the question?
6 take away in brackets negative 18.
18. Put negative 8. Right, negative 18 in brackets, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, so a minus and a minus becomes a?
Positive, sir.
Right, and then 6 plus 18. Wait, this is the same question? Is the same question they had twice? 52 and 53? No, 53 is our next one, bro. You gave me the wrong question. This is the same one we just do. Yeah, give me 53. What's 53, bro?
4 take away in brackets negative 3.
Right, let's go. So how are we writing this?
You change the 2 take away signs to positive.
Right.
Then you add in, which will be positive 7
Right,
or just
that's
7.
Right. Ramdas, what's 54?
Negative 8 minus open brackets, negative 5 close brackets.
Right, talk to me. What we rewriting this as?
Negative 8 plus 5.
Which will be?
Negative 13. No.
The negative correct.
Negative 13.
They never said the 13 correct. The two signs are different. So what are you doing here?
Minus.
Right, so how you getting 13? This is what, hey bro, this is what I start the class on, eh? I started the class on, you're not just watching the sign in the middle here, right? You're not just watching that sign in the middle there when you're adding and subtracting. You have to look at the sign in front, both numbers. They are different, so you have to?
Minus, so negative 3.
Negative 3. Keep the sign in front of the larger number, right? 55, Liam Lucas, what's 55?
So I got negative 2.
Give me the question.
Two take away, 2 plus open brackets, negative 4 close brackets.
No, that's not the question. Look, the question here, 55. You see the question here, bro? Is negative 3 plus negative 9, right?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Negative 3 plus negative 9, right? So let me hear. What are we rewriting this question?
Negative 3 plus 9.
A negative and a positive is a positive.
Plus negative 9, sir.
Right, but you need to get rid of these two signs, Liam. A positive and a negative is a?
Negative.
Right, so it'll be negative 3 minus 9. Watch it here, Lucas. These two signs here became this sign here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So negative 3 minus 9 now, what that would be? What's the answer?
Negative 6.
The two signs are the same, so we have to add. We have to minus when the two signs are the same. So when the two signs are the same, so we have to add, right? When you add, you will get 12, and you keep the sign in front of the larger number, so it will be negative 12, not negative 6, right?
So that was the answer I had before, but I thought it was wrong.
Yeah, so it was a little glitchy out there. Right? So scroll it back up. Right? So I want somebody to tell me what 36 was, please.
14 subtract 18.
That's That's I don't remember. Hold on. Right. So everybody pay attention. Some cameras not on. Put on your cameras, please. Because I want you all to catch this. I've seen people making silly mistakes. Right? So 36. Give me there again.
14 subtract 18.
Right. Even from the jump here, I saw some people had this wrong. Right? 14 subtract 18. This is basically two different signs because plus is understood in front here. You minus them, you will get 4. You take the smaller number, which is 14. You take 14 from 18, you remain with 4. Then you have to place the sign that is in front, the larger number, which is minus, right? In front of that is the sign that comes in front of the answer. Okay? Make a correction if you need to. Right? 37. Somebody give me what 37 was. Anybody? 37. I see somebody.
Negative 14 plus 18.
Negative 14
Plus 18.
plus 18, right? Right. Two signs are different. You subtract, you get 4. Keep the sign in front of the larger number, it will be positive 4. Right? We're going on to 38. What is 38?
Negative 14 minus negative 18.
Right, it wasn't in bracket, it was just like this, right? So this is the working I was telling, I think was Ramdas. I was telling Ramdas I wanted him to do. But so watch the Ramdas.
Yes, sir.
It will be negative 14. A minus and a minus will give me a plus 18. So it needed to be rewritten as this before you move on to the next stage. Okay, Ramdas?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the two signs are different. So you must subtract. You get 4. Keep the sign in front of the larger number. It will be positive 4. You don't need to put the positive because it is understood. Right? Make your corrections there because a lot of you all doing these things incorrectly. Let's go to 39. What is 39? Anybody?
39. That is negative 14 subtract 18 again.
Negative 14. So they're just playing around the questions, just playing around with the minus signs here. So you realize there's a lot of different minus signs. So the two signs are the same. So you add, you will get 32. I see a lot of people getting 32, but they did not keep the sign in front of the larger number. So this will be negative 32. Not just 32. Right? That is 39. Let's move on to 40. Somebody belt out 40.
40.
Is it negative 18 minus 14?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Right. Two signs are the same, so you add. Once again, I saw some people put the 32, but they did not put the minus sign. Right? They're supposed to be negative 32. Okay? Rolling on to, I believe it was 56. Somebody call out 56 to me.
Negative 5 plus, open bracket, negative 18. Yeah, close bracket.
Right. So I told you all when we encounter a question like this, is basically double signs we need to get rid of here again. So you see these two signs, I'm going to highlight them. This plus and this minus supposed to be merged, in other words, right? You apply your multiplication laws, you'll get negative 5. A plus and a minus is a minus. And then you put the 18. About 3/4 of you all didn't do this. Right? Then this question simply becomes, you're looking at the two signs in front each number, right? It's two positives, there's two negatives. Once the two signs are the same, you add. 5 plus 18 will give me 23. Keep the sign in front of the larger number. Who is not sure what to do here? Because 3/4 of you all didn't know what to do here. Are we clear here? Okay? Right. 50.
Yes, sir.
57. Right? 57, was it 3 plus
3 plus
negative
2.
2?
No, it's 3 plus open bracket negative 2 close
Right,
bracket.
yeah. I fix this plus here. Right. So we merging the two signs again. Hey, all you're gonna do over this now. Some questions underneath. I don't see nobody sending no foolishness to me. A plus and a minus becomes a minus. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 minus 2. Simply 3 minus 2, which is 1. Positive 1. Right? 58, is it 5 minus negative 4?
Yeah, but don't forget the bracket.
Right? So a minus and a minus is a plus. I'm going to put back the 5 and then I'm going to have plus 4 and I could drop the brackets. 5 plus 4 will simply give me 9. You see what's going on here, Sheldon?
Yes, sir.
Right. 59. We're going on to 59. Right? It's going to be negative 3 plus negative, what is negative 17?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So I'm going to merge these two signs, which is the plus and the minus here. Let me highlight it. This plus and minus becomes a minus and I can drop the bracket. So it'll be minus 3 minus 17, right? The two signs are the same, so I must add. I'll get 20. Keep the sign in front of the larger number. Negative 20 is your answer. And the final one, which is 60. 60 is what? Negative 8 minus
Subtract.
negative 9.
Yeah.
Rewrite this as negative 8. This minus and this minus here, let me highlight it again. Those two minuses become a plus, so I'm going to put plus in between 8 and 9, and I'm going to drop my brackets. Once the two signs are different, I once the two signs are different, I subtract. I will get 1. Keep the sign in front of the larger number. It becomes positive 1, or it remains positive 1. Right, guys? Now, make your corrections if you need to here, please. It's somewhere in the back. Check. Right?
So I get 1 wrong.
Right.
I do the corrections already. Just send me the picture.
No, don't send me that picture. We're going on to something new now. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, and I will send a picture of this one. Alright? Make your corrections here before we move on, because I don't want to see nobody sending me no foolishness now, eh? Because this is the second class we're spending on this. Okay? Alright, I wasn't taping all the time, so I now start a tape, right? So I'm going to do it all, but I want to start with this one to show Gabriel something, right? Gabriel, this is what you're doing, right? You come in here and you put in negative 4 minus negative 10. Okay, no problem. You did that. You need to drop your, you need to get rid of your double signs now and show me that you're getting rid of your double signs. Right, Gabriel? So I basically need you to do this in my next step. I need to do negative 4 plus 10. Right, Gabriel? You need to show me that a minus and a minus became a plus. Okay? So
Yes, sir.
do over this, and then this will become positive 6 or just 6. Right? On top here,
Yes, sir.
I had it as negative 2 plus 5. You come down with your answer and you put 3. You please try to do my questions exactly like how I am doing it. Do not come and try to do your own thing. Are we clear on that? Do not try to come and do your own thing. Right? So this will be 8. If Liam writing it, so Liam put in, so he basically put in it with all the brackets, and then he proceeded to the answer. I do not want this. There must be no double sign when we're looking at the final thing that needs to go towards your final answer, right? So this will be 8 plus 2, which will be 10. Okay? Last one here. It will, if I drop my bracket, it will be negative 6 plus 2, which will be negative 4.